Hi everyone, I'm just going to run through a few of the possible answers that you could have had for this page. There are a few different combinations you could have done, but the one I'm going to show you is what a lot of people kind of came up with. So for this one here, it says colour the jelly beans to match the statements below. So you have to read these sentences and then colour the jelly beans accordingly. So it says, I am likely to pick a red jelly bean. This means that if you put your hand in, you're most likely to pick a red one. So for that one, I'm going to colour in 4 red jelly beans. Now, for my next one, it says, I am unlikely to pick a blue jelly bean. So that means that it's not likely, there's a small chance, but it is still possible that you could pick out a blue one. So I'm going to colour in 1 jelly bean in blue. Now, after that, it says, I am equally likely to pick an orange or a pink jelly bean. So for this one here, you're equally likely, so that means that they have the same amount. They're just as likely to happen. So I'm going to colour in 2 of the beans in orange, the jelly beans in orange. And I'm going to colour in, it says in the question too, that they're equally likely for orange and pink. I don't have any pink unfortunately in my house. I do have purple, so just for my question I'm just going to colour it in purple. And then the last statement says, it is impossible for me to pick a green jelly bean. And that's because there aren't any green jelly beans at all in the jar. Now, for the second half of the page, you have to colour the jelly beans using different colours of your choice, okay? So, it says first of all, I am likely to pick, and I'm going to put in purple. I'm likely to pick a purple jelly bean. I think I'm going to be unlikely to pick a red jelly bean. I think I'm going to be equally likely to pick a green or a blue jelly bean. And I think it's going to be impossible to pick an orange jelly bean. Okay, so first of all, it says, I am likely to pick a purple jelly bean. So I'm going to colour in 4 purple jelly beans. Okay, and then the next statement, it says, I am unlikely to pick a red jelly bean. So it's not likely, there won't be many, but it is still possible. So I'm going to colour in 1 of my jelly beans nice and quickly in red. For my next one, I am equally likely to pick a green or a blue jelly bean. So I'm going to colour in 2 in blue. And then 2 in green. And then my last statement says, it is impossible for me to pick an orange jelly bean because I don't have any orange in my jelly bean box. Okay, so if you look at these, hopefully then that will make sense for you. And if you have any questions at all, just let me know.